Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the additional settings, languages and input, manage keyboards, Gboard, languages, add keyboard. And here you can select any language in which you want to type. So as you can see, the list is pretty enormous. So I'll just pick maybe Greek language, tap done, and now let's try to write something down in Greek language. As you can see, now I have Greek layout here on my keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.